Good morning. We are back at the Seattle Boat Show. This is a 9-day show. I'm actually filming this morning before anybody arrives, so I'm able to talk without my mask on. Today, Scott is going to take you down to Bell Harbor, and you are going to get a tour of the Apollonian 52. This is a pretty cool boat, so come along and we'll go check it out.
Starting to get a little busy here. I'm going to check out this one. This is an Apollonian Yacht. Not familiar with the brand. So I thought we might check it out. There's an AY52. So it's brand new 2022 Apollonian Pilot House, 52 feet. That's the length overall. Let's check it out. Not much of a swim step here, but that's okay. And the cockpit is fairly shallow as well, but that just means that they're putting a lot more space inside. So let's go ahead and take our shoes off. Before walking in though, I'm going to walk. I really like the security of these walkways. You have very high sidewalls, very overbuilt handrails. This is really nice and comfortable. Moving forward, we have the windlass. Looks like we have foot controls, but not much else up here. I guess you could probably put like some bean bags up here if you wanted a sundowner, but I don't think that's really the intention here. It does have a Flybridge, so we can check that out, see what's available space-wise for entertainment. Feeling it's going to be really well laid out inside, and that's where all the space is. As we walk through, very heavy duty doors. Really nicely laid out. Beautiful. TV cabinet here. TV is going to come up through here. Very nice. Leather seating. We have our electric controls down here. Bose soundbar, storage. This is a very comfortable feeling salon. Moving forward, we step up 3 steps.
Nice. Go fast, Stingy.
Really nice. Excuse me.
It weighs nothing and goes really fast.
I'm gonna head up to the Flybridge. You see wet bar with the barbecue, refrigerator. Great little area. You could probably put some chairs out here if you'd like. A nice little entertaining area as well. But then you also have the little L-shaped seating area. Oh, that's kind of nice. You also have a great seating area up here as well. Thrusters. Very simple dash. I think they've just taken off the electronic panels up here for the show. Looking up, we have the arch. Have all the controls, speaker, radar. PPS, so on and so forth. Again, overbuilt, very heavy duty doors. Let's go inside, check out the living area. Nice day ahead. Little settee. Beautiful table. Very nice. Two integrated Garmin displays. Really comfortable looking home station. Beautiful with the woodwork. Beautiful visibility as well. Pilot house door. And as we head down below, come into the shared head. High step up. So here we have the Ford VIP. Hanging lockers, plenty of storage on either side. Looks like we have a little bit of a makeup mirror and storage here. Storage underneath the bed. Really like the millwork as well. Now we can move forward. Sorry, past. We have a twin berth. Little bunk.
We stepped up to the pub. Yeah, exactly. But when this comes up, there is storage all there. In addition to the door.
Across from the double bunk, we have looks like probably combo washer dryer.
There's a big hanging locker in the third stair. No, I guess you just put bars in here if you want to have a bar. Did they not put a bar in there? Easy.
Yes, it's an easy
We just got this boat. We weren't behind the gun to get it done, so it took us about 8 weeks instead of 4 if I'm really in a hurry. We put the appliances in here, AV here, and electronics. That's done. If I get to where I'm building enough boats and I can fill a container up full of those parts and send them over, then we'll put them in over there. But it doesn't pencil right now. My guys are really good. Yeah, if you look for mine.
Really nice boat.
Well, we hope you like that tour. This is the last day that we'll be filming here at the Seattle Boat Show. If you did like that video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe down below and leave your comments. You do want to tune in. Next trip is our BVI's trip, which we are so excited about. And then we have some pretty exciting news coming up after that trip. So you do not want to miss out on that. So tune in.